iFall by Kepler Studios. Introducing iFall, the next generation artificial intelligence waterfall. What is iFall? iFall breaks through traditional boundaries of contemporary information transfer. It is a dynamic information waterfall having a mesmerizing sensory impact. It provides a unique way to display real-time information whilst delivering a stimulating consumer experience. Let us look at a demo to better understand the look and feel of iFall. Let us now understand how does the iFall interface work. The iFall interface is formed by a horizontal module with computer-controlled valves hung from the ceiling. These modules then create rain droplets which are released at precise times and frequencies in order to create words one by one to form a powerful imagery. This imagery supplies the meaning that's aimed to be given as well. The illustration on the right side indicates that a highly symmetrical and devoted mechanism is constructed in order to provide an accurate outcome from the interface. The beauty lies in the construction of the time circuits. Now that we know the working and application of iFall, let us learn about a few benefits. It is plug and play. It can be easily turned on and off and program sequences into. It can be quickly installed and easily maintained. It can be used indoors and outdoors. It is DMX applicable. It can be remote controlled. It can be interactive and versatile beyond imagination. What all data can it display? The proprietary computer system and software synchronizes hundreds of valves expelling single water drops on demand, which results in a definable bitmap master. How long can it be? The core iFall model is 2 meters long and can be easily extended by adding further modules up to 60 plus meters. TikTok, it's time to think out of the box. Kepler. Thank you for watching. Truly Indian, Kepler.